Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make juicy crab seafood boil easy guide. Start by brightening your kitchen with a large pot and a clean workspace, then measure your seafood and produce. Choose seasoning level and have butter and lemons ready. Boil water with aromatics, then add potatoes and corn followed by crab near the end. Use an ice bath to halt cooking, then toss with butter and herbs and serve family style. Choose a seasoning base and adjust heat to suit your guests, keeping some milder options on hand. Toast whole spices briefly before adding to the pot to release oils and deepen flavor. Keep butter warm for finishing so it coats each crab piece evenly, and add fresh herbs at the end so they stay vibrant. Remember, acid brightens richness, so lemons and a pinch of salt are essential to balance the dish. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days in the kitchen or seaside walks after a boil. I link the product in the description along with other deals you might like. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Boil with intention. Salt the water like the sea and keep a steady, rapid boil throughout. Stagger ingredient timing so potatoes and corn cook through, while crab only needs a short finish to stay tender. Monitor crab closely. Overcooking turns meat tough and dry. Once cooked, plunge everything into ice to halt heat, then drain well. Serve on a newspaper-lined table or platter for hands-on, communal enjoyment with napkins and melted butter nearby.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.